Hi, my name is Adriel Paine, and I'm the writer of Paine's Lane.
Paine's Lane, inspiration of Adriel Paine. Wow.
The reason why I've written this book, Paine's Lane, I want my Hoodmunity to grow and to be exciting like other communities. Paine's Lane. You can learn from each page a little something each time. I've been writing Paine's Lane since 1992 in the Facts newspaper. Mr. Fitzgerald gave me the chance to do it. And Paine's Lane is about unity in the new, improved Hoodmunity. I just want everybody in our community, Hoodmunity, to work together to be financially and spiritually strong as any other race in America. This book is to show the new improved Hoodmunity how to do it. As you read through it, you'll get a little bit of knowledge and wisdom on each page about the CD. So get Paine's Lane as soon as you can.